Morning, everyone. Hope you're having a fabulous time on the planet at the moment. I was just listening to a podcast about psychological warfare, and it was saying that two of the most powerful tools in psychological warfare are discouragement and demoralisation. Which was, and if they can make you feel discouraged and demoralised, you're more likely to do what they say. And as we know, this is a weird time on the planet where people are being forced to do things that they don't want to do. And we have to keep raising our vibrations, which is challenging. We have to keep that love in our heart, that love for people who are still asleep. People wake up at different rates. I know we keep talking about this. Laurie Ladd was talking this morning again about, after one of her big meditations with her Patreon group, she was talking about we have no choice but to be the light. We have to be the light if we're going to get through this. Being fearful and angry shut down our frontal cortex, and we can't think clearly. We're more likely to believe the BS if we shut down our belief system, BS belief system. We're more likely to believe our own BS if we are not raising our vibration regularly. You have an argument with someone, you raise your vibration. Someone says something they don't like, raise your vibration. Get to that spot where you are listening, hearing, and trying to engage so that you know whether or not someone is listening and paying attention. And if they're not interested, they're not there yet, and that's fine. Everyone will wake up at different rates. Some people may take many lifetimes to actually start to wake. And that was one of the things, I don't know whether it was Laurie, but someone I was listening to was saying that the people who have been through many of these karmic reincarnations, people who have actually been raising their vibration lifetime after lifetime, they're the ones more likely to be the light and the love and the awake in this lifetime, which is a really nice thought. So glad you're here, glad you're having a great day, and we're going to do a little balance around discouragement and demoralisation and raising above it. We can only feel discouraged and demoralised if we allow ourselves to feel discouraged and demoralised. When you raise your vibration, you care less what other people think. When you raise your vibration, you're less likely to go into the anger, the hurt, the pain, the frustration, the fear. When you raise your vibration, you'll be able to love where someone else is coming from. So that's going to be our goals in this balance. Okay, part 2 in a sec.